Life path number 10. If you're currently feeling, you have that feeling in your stomach that there's something more possible in your life, that you are playing small and that you're called to live your life on a bigger scale, up-leveled, upgraded, but you don't really know how to step into that. This is your video where you want to stay on, because in this video I'm connecting you with your unique purpose and your meaning here on earth. Life path number 10. Each and every life path number in numerology has their own challenges, tasks to overcome on their life path, and each and every life path in numerology has their own unique purpose to fulfill on here on earth. So this is your video to reconnect with your purpose and bring meaning into your life, which will help you to navigate yourself very much in ease through ups and downs in your life. So welcome here on the channel. My name is Vanessa. I teach you here on the channel numerology. I have a lot of content around how to create healthy relationship dynamics. This is why you want to subscribe to the channel, because you will receive the magic here on the channel. If you feel called to make a deep dive into your numerology chart, because yes, your life path number is a very important number in your chart, but there are more other significant numbers to discover in your life path, then book a personal reading with me. You find the link in the description box below. Let's dive into your unique purpose, life path number 10. Life path number 10, you are here on earth to realize that you are the creator of everything that is happening in your life, in your surrounding. You create everything, and this is a lot to sink in, because you create the good things that are happening and you create the negative things that are happening in your life, or you label them as good and bad, because by core, there are no such things as good and bad experiences. It's only how you judge them. Do you judge an experience, something that happens to you, as good or bad? Realizing that you have that powerful mind of yours to manifest instantly. So you are an instant manifester. You manifest not only with your thoughts, you manifest with how you speak, with who you speak, the actions you take. So you see, manifestation is way more than only your thoughts. You need to find that deep self-awareness to be aware of all of these components in your life. Are you complaining a lot? Are you judging a lot? What do you talk with other people? This is a very important thing for you to learn during your life, because everything you bring out into the field through words, for example, manifests itself instantly eventually. And then you're wondering, but I do so much inner work, I'm so aware of my thoughts. Yeah, but maybe you have a weakness for chit-chat, for going on a rampage with others. And this is where you need to bring your focus on. And this is only one example. And numerology is a perfect tool to help you to create more self-awareness. Eventually you see certain angel numbers in your life, which are giving you messages. So connect with these numbers, practice self-awareness to really become mindful of your thoughts. Because everything you do, say, has a really huge impact on others. Let's dive for a moment deep into the number 1. What does the number 1 stand for? The number 1 stands for leadership, self-motivation, power, clarity. Leadership, really, the number 1 is that leadership number, leading from a pure heart, leadership from the heart, uniqueness, The number 1 likes to do things differently, and this is eventually as well a challenge for you in your path. Embracing your uniqueness, embracing you being different. And with the number 1, you bring creativity and hope into the world. It's a very beautiful, powerful number. The 1 is associated with the sun energy, which is a masculine energy. So you have that forward moving energy in your life path number, which is very powerful. And I know not a lot of numerologists are reading the life path 10. They just delete the 0, but I don't like to do that. And I have a specific reason, because each and every number has a significance. And for me, the number 0 means eternity. It's a beginning point. It's infinity. It's a God force, the universal energy. And it represents wholeness, oneness, and a continuous cycle, because the cycle is not closing. So 0 represents for me living in cycles, bring it together, moving through cycles. And for me as well, the number 0 in the number 10 is for me more grounding. It's grounding the number 1. So it's a beautiful play between the number 1 and number 0 in your number 10 life path number 10. And it is a very powerful combination, because you have that universal energy. With the number 1, you already have all these psychic gifts, these psychic insights. You're very intuitive. And then you bring that together with that oneness energy of the number 0. Togetherness, unity, eternity, limitlessness, everything is possible, which shows you again, you are here on earth, you have a big mission. And if you still feel that urge, like you want to birth something bigger in your world, but you feel like you cannot do it, you cannot do it by yourself, look for support, book a numerology reading with me, or apply for my one-on-one mentorship, and we work on that to reconnect you with your inner power, your inner fire. I thank you for being here on the channel. Please subscribe to the channel to support the channel grow. Leave me a comment under the video. Do you resonate with my words? What do you feel like is your unique mission here on earth? And where would you seek for support? I wish you a beautiful, wonderful day, and thank you for shining your light so bright into the world. Namaste.